Hello guys, I was recording and then I had a camera issue. This is liver, chicken liver. So today we're going to make some chicken liver. I've lost some of the videos from the beginning. I could have shown you the liver in the package. I've lost it. So we're gonna continue like this. So this is liver, chicken liver. I'm just boiling it just to get the water out, and then I'm gonna make some sauce. As you can see now, the water is reduced. Now I'm frying the liver, then I'm gonna start adding the onions and other stuff and some spices. I like my liver in small pieces, that's why I'm cutting them like this. Baby's with the sister, I don't know what they're doing. Baba, what happened? What did Dada do to you? So this is it. We have this restaurant in our place. It's called Nando's. They do nice liver. I think it's from Portugal. It's Portuguese restaurant. I love their liver in that restaurant. So I'm gonna try and do something like them, like Nando's liver, chicken liver. I'm gonna add some onions. So now I'm going to add some Maggi cubes. Oopsie! Ooh! Look how messy this liver is making. This liver is making a lot of mess. I'm going to add some peri-peri salt. Some smoked paprika. Some white pepper. And then I need to mix it because I'm using one hand. Don't know how it's gonna work. Yeah, I need to try and mix it all together like this. Our liver is coming up, guys. Thank you very much for those who turned up for my first live in YouTube yesterday. That was my first live, guys. Thank you very much. I'll be doing live more often now since I'm able to do it. I tried to do one this morning, and what happened? The wind blew my stand and my phone from the 5th floor to the ground. Imagine. I was laughing. My daughter was laughing. Was like, "Mommy, life is not easy." Yeah, so those are the challenges I had today. My phone was okay, but the stand broke. I broke my stand, so I had to order another one. Actually, I ordered another one yesterday because I had 2 stands, and then I don't know what happened. I was holding baby and then trying to record at the same time, and then something snapped out. So I couldn't put the phone back again on the stand. So I ordered another one yesterday straight away. So today I broke the second one. So thank God I just received the one I ordered yesterday. So that's what I'll be using. And maybe I'll be able to do another live today. I'm not sure. But live, oh my God, that's another level. Because you have to be like careful with background music, background images and things like that. Some people, they don't want to appear on the live, even if it's in the family, in the house. So yeah, so I have to be careful But today I laughed a lot when I dropped my phone from 5th floor to the ground and the stand broke. My daughter has to run and go and get the phone because anyone can just think maybe somebody dropped the phone and take it away. So anyway, my phone is fine. Thank God for that. But thank you very much for all those turn up for my live yesterday and stayed until my battery went off and I fell asleep. Oh, I appreciate, guys. I appreciate. I don't know how to explain this, but thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Step, I'm gonna add some tomatoes. So this is the tomato. I had to do it off the camera because I have to use both hands. This is the tomato. So I'm gonna cover this for the tomato to be soft, and then I'll mix it and add more ingredients. So now I'm going to mix the tomatoes. They're a bit soft now. You can see. Ignore my key. Guys, can you see this? So I'm gonna add some tomato puree. Just a little bit. Do we call this a little bit? Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna mix it again. I'm going to add some green pepper, red pepper. I won't let it cook too much because I want it to appear colorful. Okay. Guys, our liver is ready. Our chicken liver is ready. As you can see, it's looking yummy. It's looking yummy. So this we're gonna eat with rice. We're gonna eat with rice. You can have it with ugali or chips, anything really. Welcome, guys, welcome. Today my content was a bit hard to make because, like I said, my camera, I didn't have my stand. You can see, guys, it's nice and cooked. Better. So the liver is ready, guys. As you can see, it's looking yummy. We're gonna have this with rice, or you can have it with chips or ugali. All in all, it's real good. It's okay to have it. Just bought another stand. It just came in today. This is the stand. So I was just recording my video for today, and this stand just arrived. So I'm gonna open it and see how it goes. I just ordered it. I've never used it before. It's from Amazon. New one, guys. Because I'm still using my phone to record and everything, so I have to use like a stand. So I just got this one yesterday and it arrived today. So maybe it's gonna work like the one I used to have. I'll try it today later.